Hello my lovelies, happy Monday. Welcome to another crafting week, and it's spooky. That failed, didn't it? Spooky time. It's Halloween. David's just given me such a look. Anyway, it's the draw. So drum roll please. So the first prize goes to, we've drawn this already, and we're just going to insert the winner and the second. So for the journal, the winner is Nellie Brostrom. So thank you so much for your comment. Thank you for dropping by my channel, and you are getting the Halloween journal that I made recently. So well done, Nellie. Here's the proof from the random picker. Okay, and second prize even. The second prize with all the bits and bobs and the little baby mini booklets that David made goes to my messy room. So well done to you. We'll just put the details up on the screen now. So if both you lovely people email me, the email details down below with your postal address, and I will send them on their way. So happy Halloween everybody. Have a spooky night. Bye for now.